I'm known as a dermatologist who really pioneered peels. And the question is, what are peels? And the answer is really simple. Peels are a combination of ingredients that exfoliate and remove the top layer of old, dull skin and bring to the surface a brand new layer of fresh skin, of younger skin, and then treats that younger skin with anti-aging ingredients. So it's a way of removing the old dull and replenishing and then brightening and enhancing with anti-aging ingredients. Lots of times those are ingredients that build collagen or brighten or firm, and in fact, my products, what I do, all the above. My peels are not harsh. My peels are actually gentle and yet very effective. There's new science. There's no reason to be concerned about redness and flakiness and a downtime and all those things you might have seen from Sex and the City years ago. Those days are over. There are ways to get rid of the old, dull, dead skin that coats our skin, that blocks our radiance. Get rid of those gently. I do that with exfoliation. Peels are really just a deeper form of exfoliation. That means you're removing that top layer. And then no peel is complete without anti-aging. Exfoliation is important. However, when you bring to the surface a fresh layer of skin, that skin is ripe for making it look even younger. It responds brilliantly to anti-aging ingredients. And that's what my peels do. They get rid of the dull, they get rid of the old, they restore the top layer with fresh, younger skin cells, and then treats that with anti-aging ingredients. And peeling is something you should do every day. That's how I designed it, because every single day our skin builds another layer of dullness. My peels are calibrated, they're dosed, they're actually made very gentle, just enough to remove that layer on a regular basis every single day. And daily anti-aging ingredients to fresh skin is the key to looking younger, and that's why every day a peel is very important.